Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your eye color using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. For example guys, I'm going to choose photo from my pins folder. Wait, I'm going to open up the pins folder, and I'm going to select one of the photos here. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to change the eye color of this girl. If you want to change eye color, we can go to the retouch menu. Okay, and then you're going to go to the eye color. All right, and then you can choose the eye style, the lens style. Okay, for me, I'm going to try, there are a lot of styles here we can use. You can pick the best lens for your eyes. I'm going to increase the opacity. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and you can customize the hue and also the saturation. Okay guys, and this is the result. And then once you're ready, you just need to click on the check mark like this, and now the color of this girl's eye has been changed. But wait, I think I need to change it to red to make it clearer. I'm just going to select this one, or maybe where is the red? Okay, this one. And I'm going to increase the opacity. Okay, and click on the check mark. All right, and this is the result. As you can see that this girl's eye has been changed into red color. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change eye color on PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.